All right, Bruchim Aboyim, welcome everyone. Every Thursday we try to learn a little bit from the Kedushas Levi, Rabbi Levi Yitzchak, Mansur Sashim, Rabbi Titchev, who is the great defense attorney that we need at our right hand at this very time of judgment. In the book of Deuteronomy, chapter 32, it's Parshas Haazinu, is this week's Parsha. We read V'yichtov Moshe Divrei Ashir Zos al Sefer Tumam. Incidentally, I just want to mention we are releasing this before Thursday because Thursday is Yom Kippur. So it says in Deuteronomy 32, and Moses wrote the words of this song on a book until they were ended. The rabbis wrote, the rabbis said in the Talmud Pesachim Pezayim Beis 87b in the Tractate of Passover, Logali Yisrael Avena Umas Kadesh Toifu Aleim Gerim. Why were the Jewish people were exiled among the nations of the world in order that they should gain converts? A lot of people think, oh, we got to push away converts. No, the whole reason why we're in exile all over the world is to bring more people into the Jewish people. But there's also a Kabbalistic side of this. The Yisrael Ma'alan Tzaitzis Kedushas Shebesocha Umos. The Jewish people are lifting up the holy sparks that are in the nations. And they take out of them all the sparks of holiness. Lahachi Nikra Divrei Moshe Amar Parshas Haazinu Shira. That's why the words of Moses they're said in Deuteronomy 32 are called a song. Shiroim is al Simcha, because this is hinting to joy. Hagam Shenamar by Yisrael B'Galas, because even though it says that the Jewish people will be in exile, Afal Pichein Galas Gufa Hi Simcha, but the exile itself is a source of joy. Because the Jewish people are lifting up holy sparks from the nations where we're exiled. And when we remove all the holiness from them, all the evil will be destroyed. So Moshe's Divrei Hashira Zos, and that's what it means that Moses wrote all the words of this song. Shanikra Shira. It's called a song. Shemar la Simcha. That's talking about joy. That's the archetype of joy. Even though Haazinu talks about exile, and that's what it says until they're finished. Because the exile will cause the evil in the nations to be destroyed. Because the Jewish people will lift up the holy sparks from out of them, and so the holy sparks will be shown, and it's a great mirror, like the other traditions talk about separating the sheep from the goats and the wheat from the weeds. That's why we're in exile, to lift up the holiness and show the holiness and bring it back up to God, and then all the evil, because it has no holiness to give it life, will just disappear on its own and be destroyed. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe, comment. We'll see you later.